20 magical herbs and its benefits. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Enjoy watching. Certainly. Here are 20 magical herbs along with their benefits. 1. Lavender. Promotes relaxation, eases anxiety, aids sleep, and soothes headaches. 2. Sage. Clears negative energy, enhances intuition, and purifies the environment. 3. Rosemary. Boosts memory and concentration, promotes clarity, and protects against negative influences. 4. Chamomile. Calms the nerves, promotes restful sleep, and relieves digestive issues. 5. Eucalyptus. Clears congestion, supports respiratory health, and uplifts the mood. 6. Peppermint. Eases digestion, relieves headaches, and provides a cooling sensation. 7. Thyme. Boosts immunity, aids in respiratory health, and possesses antibacterial properties. 8. Cinnamon. Enhances psychic abilities, attracts abundance, and stimulates circulation. 9. Ginger. Relieves nausea, aids digestion, and boosts energy and vitality. 10. Lemon balm. Reduces stress and anxiety, improves cognitive function, and supports sleep. 11. Basil. Promotes mental clarity, attracts love and wealth, and protects against negative energies. 12. Calendula. Soothes skin irritations, speeds up wound healing, and enhances skin complexion. 13. Dandelion. Detoxifies the body, supports liver health, and acts as a diuretic. 14. Rose. Enhances love and passion, promotes self-love, and lifts the spirit. 15. St. John's wort. Eases depression and anxiety, supports mood balance, and promotes emotional well-being. 16. Chamomile. Relieves stress and anxiety, promotes relaxation, and aids in sleep. 17. Valerian. Promotes restful sleep, relieves insomnia, and reduces anxiety. 18. Yarrow. Enhances psychic abilities, offers protection, and aids in divination. Mugwort. Enhances dreams and visions, aids in astral travel, and supports intuition. 19. Frankincense. Enhances spiritual connection, purifies the environment, and promotes meditation. 20. Please note that while these herbs have various traditional and folklore associations with magical properties, their effects may vary for individuals, and it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using them for medicinal purposes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Brightest Life will be happy for your generous comments on our videos. Till next time.